Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is chi-square distribution. In this topic, we will discuss moment generating function of chi-square distribution. Moment generating function is abbreviated by MGF. If x follow a chi-square with n degrees of freedom, then the MGF of chi-square distribution is defined as, it is abbreviated by MXT and given by expectation of e raised to tx. Since x is a continuous random variable, we will obtain this expectation with the help of integration. Integration minus infinity to infinity e raised to tx into PDF fx dx. Since x is a chi-square, its range is 0 to infinity. So, it is integration 0 to infinity e raised to tx into 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2 e raised to minus x upon 2 x raised to n upon 2 minus 1 dx. We will take the constant outside the integration, 1 upon 2 raised to n upon 2 gamma n by 2 integration 0 to infinity e raised to, I will collect the power of e raised to, that is minus x by 2 plus tx into x raised to n upon 2 minus 1 dx. Now from the power of exponent I will take minus half common. So it is MXT MGF is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2 integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus half into bracket 1 minus 2t into x multiplied by x raised to n upon 2 minus 1 dx. By careful observation of the integration, we observe that this integral is a gamma integral. So we will write the answer of this integral with the help of the integration. Suppose gamma integral is x raised to n minus 1 e raised to minus ax dx. Its value is gamma n upon a raised to n. I request to the student, remember this gamma integral, which is very much useful while you are studying the continuous distributions. Hence MXT is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2 x raised gamma, after comparing this is gamma n upon 2 divided by a is here 1 minus 2t divided by 2 is the value of a, and this raised to n by 2, which is equal to, after simplifying this we will get MXT is equal to 2 raised to n upon 2 gamma n by 2 divided by 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n by 2 into 1 minus 2t raised to n upon 2. This 2 raised to n by 2, 2 raised to n by 2 cancel, gamma n upon 2 gamma n upon 2 cancel, and this is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 2t raised to n upon 2. Therefore the MGF is equal to 1 minus 2t raised to minus n by 2 for t less than 1/2. This is the moment generating function of a chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the MGF of chi-square distribution and the derivation of obtaining the formula for MGF in the case of chi-square distribution. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed mean and variance and definition of chi-square distribution. If students want to learn that lecture, click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also mentioned in the description below. Many more topics are covered on Learn Statistics channel. If students want to refer all the chapters, then click on the I button on the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are mentioned in the description below the video. If students have some problem, please do write in the comment. I will resolve your problem as soon as possible. Students are requested to subscribe the Learn Statistics channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. If student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends, and learn statistics in simple and more easy way. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.